Hello, I just thought I'd pop on for a few minutes. Haven't been doing anything this week because I'm still supposed to be taking it easy for the cataract operation. The world's a whole new different place. It's unbelievable. I can't believe how bright everything looks. But the big thing is, I can't believe how old I look. They should warn you. You should add that, when you sign the consent form, it should say, do you mind looking your age after the operation? That will put a few off. They save the NHS a fortune, wouldn't it? Diet this week. I'm exactly on 13 stone, can I buggery budget. I find it a bit depressing, to be honest, but I'm trying to stay with a healthy eating. Somebody said the collagen can actually put weight on, but I don't know. I read that many different things. I just don't think I've got a metabolism, but I'm sticking with it. I will be honest, I am finding that collagen is definitely helping with the aches and pains in my hip that needs replacing. No difference whatsoever on the wrinkles, but I've got my fringe back at the minute because my fringe is actually changing colour. It's gone like a gingery brown colour, and I thought, is that the collagen? But when I read, it did say grey hair can change colour if you change your diet, which I've done, if you're taking supplements, which I am, and the collagen can stimulate new hair growth. But the collagen by itself, it states category, there's no evidence that that would change your hair colour. But I'm laughing because it's the one thing I don't want to change. I quite like my grey hair, so the fact it's going like a gingery soft brown is quite funny, and I have chopped it today and I've made a mess of it. So actually, isn't this a happy video? We did go to IKEA through the week, and it was absolutely chock-a-block. I want some new storage for the pots in the winter, somewhere where I can drape it. So I did buy a couple of little greenhouses with plastic covers, but they were no good. They only have lasted a year, and the plastic covers just shredded, and now they've gone all tatty. So you wouldn't believe it, walked all the way around there, all the teenagers buying stuff to go to uni, all the kids been taken for a day out in IKEA. But you get into week 6, mums will be stuck with what to do. Got to where we wanted to pick the thing up, and it wasn't in. So I've had to order it online. We'll go back today. I've ordered it so we can go back about maybe 9 o'clock, and I'm hoping it'll be quiet then, like a night out for we're not used to going out in the dark. So have I got anything to tell you? No, as I say, this has been just like a bit of a lost week. So next week you should be back to normal and out and about. As I say, we've just literally been faffing about. We did the terrace, which I've done as a short on here, the patio or the terrace, whatever you want to call it, the flags. That's all been tidied up because we were in the house. So I was like director of operations. And what else have we been doing? So we tidied that up, got rid of the plants that were really past their best. It seems as if, which I'm sure I've said before, the whole year is a month ahead of where the plants are in the garden. Things that would still be going strong or strongish for the time of year have all but given in. The hostas have all done their crispy turnover. Usually they can last till like the end of September before I have to chop them down. And a lot of the pots have actually gone, which is why I need the storage, because I need to start getting them stored. The other thing we've done is my husband has tidied the garden. We've lived here 10 years, and I've told you it's been like a dumping ground. It's immaculate. It's better than my sitting room. He's done a really good job. So what I'll do is I'll take a few clips. I'll show you the storage when we get that done. I'll show you the garage. I can't believe how tidy it is. We did go to IKEA as well to buy him some storage for indoors. And what we wanted to do was replace a set of drawers in one of the spare bedrooms and put the drawers from there into the garage for him to store. But I was a bit disappointed in what they had in IKEA, so I think I may have a run to John Lewis and see what they've got. So we're looking, as well as big storage, little storage in front to put his screws and what have you in, so it's going to be immaculate. Just at the time when he's decided he doesn't want to do any like DIY, but it'll be tidy. And what else? Have I changed anything food-wise? Not really. I've just been sticking to the same. Oh, I tell you what I've seen. I have been buying, which is really bad, some of the ready-made omelettes just for quickness, because you can eat them hot or cold, keep them in the fridge. So say if I'm really hungry, I would cut a bit of that off and eat that. So it's more like protein than anything else. But I have seen a good recipe for egg muffins made with courgette. So I've ordered some muffin tins from good old Amazon. They're coming today, and I'm going to try to make them. Then I know what's in them. I mean, they are a good. It's I can't remember the name of the omelets, but you'll see them. Is it something Earth? I can't remember the name of them. They make big ones and smaller ones, Spanish ones, vegetable ones, all sorts. And they are really nice, really tasty. But I thought, if I can make my own, we'll see how we get on with them. So next week, I promise, cross my heart, hope to die, stick a finger in me good eye. I'll have a proper video out and about and show you what we've been doing. So just bear with us. If you're on the diet, stick with it. I feel a bit meh. I'm still waiting. The doctor was kind enough to send us a message saying, "Hey, fatty, your body mass index is high." And I'm thinking, good gracious, it's been high for years. We'll get in contact with you. And then I got an email to say, "Oh, we've got you on the list, we'll be in touch." I think they're waiting for us to die before they get in touch. But anyway, who knows, they may be just that trigger I need to get this fat going. So, sorry I'm so miserable. Aye, Captain. Speak to you later. Bye.